Yo, what is up, all you funnel hackers? Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can download the funnel cloner tool into your Chrome bar. It's really pretty simple. A lot of people have asked me this, or maybe they just need to update it. So pretty much what it's going to be coming down to is as soon as you're on the membership, you probably be greeted with something like this. I'll hop over to the funnel course, and this link right here will take you directly to the extension. All right, that's always going to be updated with the newest extension. All right, right now we're on 1.9. Second place you can see it is when you purchase the actual Funnel Hacker Labs membership, you would just be able to click on download extension, and that will then take you over to the actual extension. From there, all you got to do is, well, this would say add to Chrome on there, and you'll see a pop-up right here. Maybe sometimes it might be hidden under here. So what I would do, like, let me show you, for example, right now it's gone over there. Now you go over here, Funnel Cloner, just click on this just so you can see it pop up on the extension right over hither. And guys, that's pretty much about it. So on the thank you page, we're not going to always have the thank you page. You probably only have that once. But on the membership, it's right on the funnel course, right on the very beginning. It's right over here. Download link to extension, guys. So that's how you download extension. Guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.